The needy. The next ties all Muslims must maintain and fulfill the rights of are the needy or those who are considered socially weak, such as orphans and widows. Muslims must support them in any way they can. An aspect of this support is donating the obligatory charity if it is an obligation on them. A Muslim must ensure they donate through a reputable and trustworthy organization or charity. Many verses and hadiths discuss the importance of donating voluntary charity, such as the Hadith found in Sahih Muslim, number 1671. It advises that charity is due every day from each Muslim. This same Hadith makes it clear that this charity involves other good deeds, not just donating wealth. Many hadiths discuss the virtues of supporting orphans and widows. For example, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once advised in a hadith found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6005, that whoever takes care of an orphan will be with the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in paradise. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, labeled the home in which an orphan is taken good care of as the best house in a hadith found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3679. In respect to widows, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised in a hadith found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 1969, that the one who supports a widow will be given reward equal to a Muslim solidar and the person who fasts every day and prays all night every night. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.